Hey everyone! Welcome back to Eat Better Health. Feeling tired, sluggish, or like you need a nap after every meal? You might be eating foods that secretly zap your energy. Today, we're talking about the 10 foods draining your energy, and more importantly, the healthier alternatives that will leave you feeling fueled and fabulous. Stick around because I'll also share some of my favorite energy-boosting products you can try today. Let's get started. Let's kick off the list with the first culprit, potato chips. These are loaded with trans fats, which are artificial fats designed to extend shelf life. But here's the problem. Trans fats are linked to inflammation and reduced blood flow, making your body work harder to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells, leaving you feeling sluggish. Instead, try snacking on a mix of almonds, walnuts, and sunflower seeds. They're packed with healthy fats and magnesium, which support steady energy levels throughout the day. Next up, non-organic bread and other highly processed grains. These are stripped of their natural nutrients during production, removing the fiber, vitamins, and minerals your body needs for energy. What you're left with is a refined product that's digested quickly, causing a blood sugar spike and then an energy crash. Swap it out for whole grain bread or even sweet potatoes. They're nutrient-dense, high in fiber, and keep your blood sugar stable, providing long-lasting energy. Who doesn't love baked goods? Unfortunately, they're made with refined sugar and flour, which break down quickly in your bloodstream, giving you a quick energy high, but leaving you drained shortly after. Plus, refined sugar causes inflammation, which can make you feel fatigued and foggy-headed over time. Instead, try making your own energy balls using oats, dates, and a bit of honey. You'll satisfy your sweet tooth without draining your energy. Coming in at number 4, pasta with cream sauce. The refined carbs in regular pasta are digested quickly, leaving you with unstable blood sugar. Add a heavy cream sauce and now you're loading up on saturated fats, which slow digestion and can make you feel lethargic. Go for zucchini noodles or whole grain pasta and top it with a tomato-based sauce or a drizzle of olive oil for a lighter, more energy-friendly option. Fried foods like fish and chicken. These are cooked in oils high in trans fats, which not only contribute to inflammation, but also slow down digestion. Your body ends up spending energy trying to process these foods instead of focusing on giving you energy. Instead, try baked salmon or grilled chicken. Salmon, in particular, is rich in omega-3s, which reduce inflammation and are fantastic for brain and body energy. Let's talk about processed meats like hot dogs, bacon, and deli meats. These are packed with sodium and nitrates, which can dehydrate your body and disrupt its natural energy balance. Nitrates, while used to preserve meat, can also lead to increased oxidative stress in your body. Opt for fresh, unprocessed protein like roast turkey or hard-boiled eggs. They're clean, nutrient-dense, and provide lasting energy. And who doesn't love French fries? Sadly, they are one of the worst offenders. They're loaded with trans fats and simple carbs, both of which contribute to blood sugar spikes and inflammation, leaving you feeling tired and sluggish. Switch to baked sweet potato wedges. They're naturally sweet, high in fiber, and way more satisfying. Next up is too much dairy. For many people, dairy products like milk and cheese are tough to digest, leading to bloating and fatigue. Lactose, the sugar in dairy, can be especially problematic for those who are lactose intolerant, putting extra strain on the digestive system. Try plant-based alternatives like almond or oat milk. They're lighter, easier on digestion, and still give you that creamy goodness. Not all plant-based foods are created equal. Highly processed plant-based products like fake meat are often loaded with additives and preservatives. These ingredients can mess with your gut health and disrupt your body's natural energy production. Stick to whole plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, and tofu. They're nutrient-packed and keep your energy steady. Finally, let's talk about high-sugar fruit drinks. These are marketed as healthy, but they are full of added sugars that lead to blood sugar spikes and crashes. Plus, too much sugar promotes inflammation, which can leave you feeling tired and sluggish over time. Instead, make your own smoothies with fresh fruits, leafy greens, and a bit of Greek yogurt. It's a perfect energy-boosting drink that'll keep you going. All right, here's a quick recap. Avoid these 10 energy-draining foods: potato chips, non-organic bread, baked goods, pasta with cream sauce, fried foods, processed meats, French fries, too much dairy, highly processed plant-based foods, and sugary drinks. Instead, choose wholesome, nutrient-packed alternatives like fresh veggies, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. They'll fuel your body, support your mind, and keep your energy levels steady. Check the link in the description below for more help with eating better. Give them a try and let me know what you think. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with someone who could use an energy boost. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.